Hello creatives, good to have you back on my YouTube channel. This is the Creators Lodge and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to hit the like button, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button because you're going to be getting a lot of amazing values on my YouTube channel. Alright guys, now in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys something very amazing, something very amazing. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own portfolio for your brand, for your business. Alright, as a graphic designer, portfolio is quite important for you. Alright, now portfolio helps you to showcase your works to your clients. For instance, your clients request for previous projects that you've done or previous designs that you've done. Now having a portfolio will help you and also help the client. It will ease you the stress of sending images, sending pictures and files to the client's DM, bombarding the client's DM with a lot of pictures and images. All right, now a portfolio will help you to keep all your files, all your designs in a website. All you need to do is to copy the link of your profile, copy the link of your website and paste it in the client's DM, and once they click on the link, it's going to take them straight to where your designs are. All right guys, so the website I'm going to be showing you guys today is the website called Behance. I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see it. The website I'm going to be showing you guys today is the website called Behance. Now this is it. I'm just going to click on Behance and you're just gonna wait for it to load, guys. Now this is what Behance looks like. All right guys, now this is the interface of Behance. Now can you see, immediately I open Behance, can you see a lot of designs, all right, from designers and all that. Now I'm going to pick one design. I just want to pick one so that we can see. Once you click on it, now you see it's loading and it's showing you that this is a brand identity. Now this is a brand identity. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Can you see this amazing function of Behance? Can you see this, guys? And this is a brand identity. Now let's check out this person's profile. I'm going to click on the profile. All right, I want us to see what the profile looks like. Now guys, can you see what the profile looks like? Can you see this? Now the first interface you're going to see is the profile picture, the follow, the message, the hire, the information. If you need information about this person, you click on the information icon. But if you don't need information, if you want to check out the person's work, you click on work. Can you see this, guys? Now mood board is just a place where you decide to upload files that inspired you. All right, your what made up your designs, your inspiration. You can decide to upload them in your mood board. Now can you see this, guys? Every single design this person uploaded, can you see that it's showing here? Can you see the amount of likes? Can you see the amount of views on each of the design, guys? Can you see the amount of likes and views on each of the design? All right, now guys, I want to show you guys something. Now let's go back. Let's click here. Now we're going to click here. I want to open a new account, so I'm going to click sign out. All right, I'm going to click sign out, and I want us to create a new account. All right guys, now let's click on login. All right, so let's click on login. Now it's just going to ask me for my login details, so I'm just going to put in, I'm going to continue with Google. All right, so I'm going to continue with Google to be fast. Yeah. All right guys, and here we are. Can you see this, guys? Now you see welcome Mordecai, welcome to Behance. To help you get started, choose if you like to join Behance as a creative or a hirer. All right, now I would like to join as a creative, so you are going to click I am a creative, all right, or freelancer. All right, so you're going to click it. Now it's going to help you put in, it's going to help you with more functions. All right, now can you see this, guys? Pick a topic. So I'm going to pick graphic design, I'm going to pick photography, I'm going to pick illustration, UI UX, motion, product design, advertising. I think that's all. So I'm going to click on next, guys. So you click on next and then it's going to take you to the next place. Now can you see this? Now these are the suggested people for me on having looked at what I picked. All right, now these are the people that were suggested for me. All right, now this was the guy we checked out, so I'm just going to follow this guy. I think I love his work, so I'm going to follow this guy. All right, I'm just going to click on follow. Now you can follow people on Behance, and you can message people on Behance. Now Behance is a place where people also get clients. Now, but let's go to how to create your own portfolio. Now you can see at the top here, you can see use app. All right, now if you want to get an application for this, if you don't want a website, you click on use app. It's going to take you straight to the Play Store application. If you're using Android, and if you're using iPhone, it's going to take you to your store. All right, so you can download the application there, but I want us to use the website. So I'm going to click here, guys. I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to check this out. Now click on my profile. All right, let me click on my profile. Now when you come to my profile, you'll be able to fill in your details here. Can you see this, guys? So you can see edit profile information. Now once I click on edit profile information, it's going to ask me of my name, occupation, what I'm doing, connect your social media accounts, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and all that stuff like that, guys. And you write your about me. You can make use of ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT, hey GPT, I just joined Behance. I'm a creative designer. You can see I have 3 or 4 years of design experience. I would love to make use of Behance as my portfolio. I want to display my works. Please, can you help me with a detailed description, concise? Can you help me with a detailed description that can help capture the minds of people, captivating? All right, so you can create a prompt like that and give it to ChatGPT so that it can help you create something simple. All right, something simple, but then you want to check for errors once it's done creating it. Now these are profiles. These are everything you need to do for your profile, but I'm not going to be doing this because of our time. Now let's go back. I'm going to click on me again. I'm going to click on my profile, and then you can see in order for you to customize profile, you need a pro version. All right, now you can see here, you can edit your availability here, looking for opportunities. So you can edit your availability. All right, so you can decide that you need a full-time job or you need a freelance job. Can you see this, guys? So you can ask you freelance project, when are you available? You can say immediately. All right, you can say now. And then categories, you can choose your categories of the job. You can choose graphic design, book branding, stuff like that. You can just choose. All right, choose based on what you can do, and please don't choose what you cannot do. All right, and then you see select your usual price range. All right, you can see $5 to $10,000, so you can select whichever range you want. Can you see this, guys? So you can select whichever range you want, and then you can connect with your PayPal if you're using PayPal, Stripes, and all that, right? Yeah. So, and if it's for full-time job, you can click I'm willing to relocate, or I'm looking for remote opportunity. So whichever one works for you. That's for edit availability. Now when you come to this place, this is where you begin to add your projects. Now let me show you guys. I'm just going to add about 2-3 projects. All right, so let's click create a project. All right, now here's the next phase you're going to see. All right, so you can see start building your project. So you can start a project from scratch here. You can monitor the progress of the project. You can see this Lightroom, prototype, 3D, embed, video and editing. So you can do something, you can create something here. All right, but I would advise, I've not done that before. All right, all I do is to upload my designs. I've not done creating something here before. All right, so if you want to upload a design, so you click on this first icon here, which is image. All right, so you click on image, and then it's going to take you to your gallery where you can upload your designs. So let's do that. All right, guys, so can you see I just picked a design from my gallery, and then you can see that it's loading. Just going to wait for it a little second so that it can load fully. Now can you see this, guys? I've added this design. So let's click on save. All right, let's click on preview first. Let's see. Okay, so can you see this? Can you see this is preview? All right, can you see this? So now we're going to click on save. I would like to check. Let's click on continue. Let's see. So let's click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it's going to ask you for project title. Can you see untitled project? So I can click project title. I can just write let me just write advert, social media ads. Let me write social media ads. All right, so your title should be what the design is about. All right, so you can see project tag, limit of 10, add up to 10 keywords to help people discover your project. So be very intentional in the keywords you had, because If you don't add keywords, it will be difficult for people to discover your project. And how will they reach out to you if they don't discover your project? Now, in adding your keywords, please ensure you had keywords that are design related. Don't just add any keyword. Now, can you see social media ads I wrote is already reflecting on this design? So I can add I'm going to write design. Can you see this, guys? 7.7 million projects are under designs. Can you see this, guys? So I can click on it. That's one keyword. I'll write designer, all right, for the other keyword. If you're familiar with Instagram, Facebook and all that, that's something similar. Like this is something similar, all right? So keywords, we all know keywords. So I can click on social media post, all right, and I can click on advertising. Just click on keywords that are related to what you are uploading. Don't choose any keyword that's not related. So I can click graphic designer, all right, and then you can just make do with that, and then you are cool. All right, so we click out, and then we look at the next thing. All right, the next thing will be how would you categorize this project? So we're going to choose graphic design. All right, just choose graphic design, and then Behance visibility, which is required, everyone. So you click on everyone, so fully accessible and discoverable to everyone. Everyone can view, the visibility of this project, all right? Except you don't want everyone to view it, then you can click on password protected or private, but that will require you to get the pro version. Can you see that, guys? Now you can see this project contains adult content. You can uncheck this now, because when you write this project contains adult content, they might not want to make it visible to all. So you can see that I checked out, because it's everyone that this project can be visible to everyone. It's not harmful. It doesn't contain PG 18 stuff like that. All right, so once you are done with this, now you can see you're going to see save as draft, and then you're going to see publish. So kindly click on publish, all right, and then you can also choose advertising here, all right, because it's an advertising. All right, so you can choose advertising. Yeah, which software? Can you see these tools used? So I can click here, and then I write Photoshop. All right, so you can choose whatever tool you used. That's not it. I'm just going to click Photoshop. All right, Adobe Photoshop. So you can see this, guys. You can choose as many tools as you want. You can choose Photoshop, you can choose Lightroom. All right, so you can choose depending on the whatever you used, the application you used. So once you are done, you click on publish. Now let's click publish, and let's see what's going to happen to our project. Can you see this, guys? Update project. Can you see this, guys? Now can you see this, guys? Now our project is live. Build a custom portfolio website in minutes. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. Now our project is live. Can you see this? Now can you see at the bottom here, we wrote Photoshop, it's revealing. Can you see creative fields, graphic design, advertising is revealing? These are the keywords: design, designer, social media post, advertising, graphic designer. Can you see this, guys? So everything we wrote is revealing on this portfolio. And then when someone likes your post, it's going to reflect. Can you see this, guys? You can also like your own post. All right, now let me click on my profile. Yeah, guys, so can you see this, guys? So open a new tab. Can you see this? This is the website. This is what it looks like. So this is my name, and then you can add your cover photo here at the top. You can decide to add your cover photo here. Very important, guys. And then on your profile picture also. So let's do that. So let's bring a little beauty to this, and then the way I added this first design, that's the way you're going to add all your other designs. So you keep adding, just keep adding. All right, so let's do that. Let me add a profile photo to these, guys. All right, guys, so can you see I just added a profile photo to it? All right, so Creators Lodge. So, and you can also add a cover photo to it, and then you upload all your files. So this is how you create a portfolio. The more you keep uploading files, the more it will be revealing here. All right, guys, it will be revealing here as you keep uploading files. All right, guys, now if you want to share probably your link to a client or anyone you want to share it to, all right, so once you click on the project at the top here, you're going to see this share icon here. So you click on this share icon at the top here. Can you see this? You're going to see share project, copy link. So you copy the link, and then once you do that, you can share the link to your clients and they'll be able to view your project. All right, and then you can also click, you can click inside of this, and then you copy the link from here, and then once you copy the link from here, you send to your client will be able to view your link and request for your service if they need your service. So guys, this is how you create a portfolio in Behance. This application or this website is really an amazing one, helping designers, and I believe that it's going to help you if you check out this video and try to practice what you've learned today. All right guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to this channel. Thank you so much. I look forward to your reviews, to your feedback. Please drop in the comment section what you think about this video. Drop in the comment section also what you think about the Behance website or the application. See you guys in my next tutorial.